What's up, guys? Part 3 here with the 308 E2. So as you guys saw the last one, the smoke is still, yes, down there. That was a pretty big, gnarly explosion of a boulder. So as you can see, the crater, though, is a little bit big. So let me get you guys set up. I want to fill this in. I got a lot of hill behind me here. I'm going to throw that all down here, and let's try getting this filled in. So I'm going to film this way for a while so that you guys could watch me pass a lot of dirt, and then I'll aim you this way. Alright. Let me make sure I'll use. Actually, yeah, I like it there. This has a decent, nice reach on it, so I'm just gonna put you out here. Oh, come on. There. I have to make a pad for this always, or it'll fall over. Yeah, I don't need this like the boulder rolling down the hill on me, so. Let me use a higher view. Alright. Alright, let's keep going. probably almost 20 minutes, I'm gonna guess, or something. 15, not bad. Let me shrink this thing down so I could show you a little more. So this is looking really good. Here's the hole I gotta fill. Looking really good. The smoke finally died down there. Probably died down at 5 minutes later or something, but yeah, so let me get a little close to show you what my plans are here. Is you see how you can see down this now? My plan is with all this dirt to get to right there, fill in this, where you could get right by the overlook here for everyone to enjoy. And plus, I do have plans here for maybe next year or a year when I'm 18 or 19. I'm saving a lot of money right now because I plan on doing is possibly I might build a house here because I really like this area. That's actually why I'm clearing this, because I really do want to put maybe a house here. So yeah, where you can look at this every day and down that overlook. That looks so nice. But for doing that, probably will have to lose some trees, but I'm not going to do that until I know if I'm actually going to build. So in a year, maybe 2, maybe even less, I don't know. After summer, maybe even, I don't know really. You guys will get to see some new ideas, but I will leave this hill in that I had you on earlier, because this is going to be where you can back the 4 up to turn around and all. So not a bad road though. So I'm gonna do a finish with the video, but I'm gonna do is clean all this up now, and so that you guys are like, whoa, what happened? I'll have you guys set up all the way up there later where you could just see me fixing up the road, and then I'll show you just the finished results. So because I want to keep you guys just seeing me doing this. So even though, yes, this is what you're here to watch, but I'll see you guys on the next one. Because I do got to kind of rush because I'm almost out of fuel. So, alright, I'll see you on part 4 where I finish. So, see you part 4, guys. Bye.